This is how I took my hair from this to this with at-home tape-in hair extensions. These extensions are 100% human hair, which means you can heat style them, wash them, and I'm assuming dye them too, which is really cool. And also look, these have no shiny band, so they're going to blend into my hair seamlessly. I started out by sectioning my hair into a sort of U shape. It's definitely not perfect, but it did the job. Because my hair is quite thick and I wanted everything to blend really well, I did 2 main sections. Starting with the lower section, I'm just cutting pieces that are going to perfectly fit my head. Then I'm pressing down the extension onto my natural hair just a little bit down from the part line. Then I just flip over that section of hair and use a little bit of the single-sided tape to almost make a little sandwich between the extension and my natural hair. I'm going to repeat the exact same steps just a little bit higher up on my head. So place it, flip it, and tape it. And this is the finished result. Are you actually kidding me? As someone who has wanted hair extensions for the longest time but doesn't want to pay the extreme amount of money to actually get them put in, this was everything I could have hoped for and more.